We didn't do the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Is that in your mouth? Oh. I'm about to say, you about to eat that. You about to eat that.
You was like, you gonna eat that? Because I ain't eating no that in your mouth. I ain't trying to get sick.
Clean, 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 clean. Ooh. Clean, 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 clean. Oh. Brooklyn and clean.
What 2020 look like?
Jill's comfort zone.
Stop.
In her home.
Hey.
Keep watching
Break it down.
all her videos.
Break it down like that. Wait. Break it down. I'm gonna give you the beat. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey guys, this is Jazzy, Jill's daughter. So I'm about to get the perch. I just got to Giant Eagle. I picked up some other stuff. See? Okay, so yeah. So this is the perch, and that's what I'm getting. I think like we said, we're getting 10 of these. So I'll show you guys in a minute. Perch, and yep, and I'm getting ready to go and grab the yogurt. So this is it of the video. Bye.
Hey guys. Welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Oh gosh, it's been a long week, but really quick week. So if you're new to my channel, please pull up a seat. Press that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded when I'm coming to new and delicious meals from my home to your home. Anyway, today we're going to be simple, keep it brief. My daughter went to the supermarket earlier and got me some more perch. I needed some fried perch. Because tomorrow I start my Herbalife. And so I'm going to be doing probably a lot of air fried food if I'm going to do any fried food. But it'll be in the air fryer. So kick off. I know everybody probably started their thing the first of the year and all that good stuff. I'm gonna rewind with the first full week of 2020. So pray for me, guys, that I do this thing. Herbalife has been good to me throughout the years. So hopefully it'll continue to do good for me this year and many more years to come. It's not about losing the weight. It's about healthier living and healthier eating and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be doing stuff a little differently. I'm going to I've been watching the keto, and I've been watching several different ways of just eating better. And like I said, me with the arthritis, I want to try to feed my body with a lot of good, healthy, and natural things that could keep down the inflammation and the flare-ups and the pain, and to build up my bones healthier, to stay fully, so I could keep coming to you chopping and mixing and stirring and flipping. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna have my last of the new year leftover meal. So this is a leftover, and frying some more perch. So she got me with some fresh perch, I told you. So yum. I'm gonna have that with some collard greens and some black-eyed peas. That's what I'm eating for today. So I got my greens, I got my protein. Hey. Anyway, guys, don't forget. And for my fam, JCZ fam, welcome back. Thanks. Continue watching my videos. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget, if you look to help out Jill's Comfort Zone, finish pushing forward and succeeding into pushing out more videos to you, check out my Amazon wish list down below. And if you feel in your heart you would like to support, that's fine. Jazzy's birthday coming up. I'm going to post her little Amazon wish list as well down below. So just don't forget to check in the description box. And I will have her link up there too if you want to bless her for her 18th birthday on January 18th. Go Jazzy. Go Jazzy. Oh my God, if you guys see her video, I don't know. I don't think I posted on video on YouTube. I don't know if she want me to do that or not. I'll get her permission later. But anyway, I'm about to get started frying up this perch. I'm doing the fritter, the salmon fritter video. I did not forget about y'all. The Caribbean style salmon fritters. I will redo that one. I had to redo it. I screwed up. I was trying to use almond flour, something different than regular flour. I should have stuck to my guns. But since I've did the almond flour, the last thing, I'll probably post a clip on the first one. But I did not and I tried to put it in the air fryer. It did not work for me. So that's why that video didn't come out yet. But I will perfect that video probably tonight. I don't know. We'll see. So, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Go check out my Instagram, Jill's Comfort Zone. You can always follow me there. I'm still new. I'm trying to push out content there. I'm still learning in between. I just opened up my Facebook, Jill Comfort Zone page. Go check me out there as well. And don't forget, jillscomfortzone.com, my website. Please check out the recipes there, and also Jill's Comfort Zone blogs spot. So there you have it. Subscribe, and I'll be right back. Me and Jazz to eat and chat it up with you. Love you guys. See you at the table. Yes, so my perch has been seasoned. You know, I got that red hot on deck. And I just normally, oh God, who put hot sauce on their fish, chicken, anything frying? Listen, anything that's frying, hot sauce is in the batter, okay? It is part of my stable. What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Hey guys. Woo. Get a chance to sit down with my baby girl and enjoy dinner. So we got some collards, leftovers, with some smoked turkey tails. We got some leftover black eyed peas, and some fried perch. So we're going to get it in. We're going to say a prayer and eat. God, thank you for this food, and thank you for the hands that prepared it. Thank you for another new year, new day. Thank you for opening our eyes this morning, Father God. Thank you for all that we have and all that we do. I just want to bless this channel and the people who watches it, and just want to ask you to leave us in a present and stable mind of joy and peace. Because Lord knows I don't want any more drama. I'm going to leave that back where it was, and I ain't even bringing it in with me. So, yes, and I don't even, let me say I don't have that too much drama. That's just other people, so sorry, God. I'm going to leave them out of it. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. We're going to enjoy this food. I'll leave that out. Yeah. So, let's eat. I ain't put no starch on here because I don't feel like Just give me the greens. Give me the greens. That's all. Beans, me. Just Just give me the greens, Lord. Greens and peas. That is all I want right now. And some nice fish. Like I was saying earlier, I am starting back on the hots. I am starting back on my Herbalife, but I'm going to mix it up with a little bit of, just a little bit of this and that. Just watching what I eat. And not being glutton, try to enjoy what I want to eat, but, being conscious of, eating the right way properly. So, yeah, so, I've been watching a lot of YouTube. I ain't speaking on none of what's going on, but just want to pray for all the, YouTube communities, and wishing that everything just may that we all prosper. I'm a newbie to this. Just started like in October. Ooh, let me soak up some of this juice. I don't want to touch my fish. I like a crunch. You want crunch. So, yeah, baby. I need some crunch in my life. So, I'm just going to have everybody prayed up. I'm coming into this YouTube thingy stress-free, worry-free. I'm trying to get to know people. Learning new things. I love a lot of people already who I've been watching. Feeling that whole vibe. So I'm thankful for that. Woo, woo, woo. Should we move this back or now? Move it back a little bit. And then enjoy our food a little better. So just came on here for a few minutes to enjoy dinner. Chat with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can be reminded when I'm coming to you with more delicious meals or the wonderful conversations or mukbangs. I don't know. Mukbangs is great. It's a lot of work. I think all of it is a lot of work, especially me doing my food channel and trying to cook. And I thought that mukbangs would be awesome, because you're cooking anyway. Might as well sit down and enjoy. And it could bring more feed, but it take out a lot of time too. So, you're spending time having to cook and slave think off the leftovers. Well, I ain't had to cook that much. Just fry up this fish and enjoy it. Red hot sauce on deck, of course. Yeah, so, and I'm just keeping my family in prayer. 2020 is, a year where, so much, I've lost a lot, and I know a lot of people have lost a lot over the years. Don't make 2020 any different from any other year, but what makes it different is if what you didn't get right, you back on the horse and try again. And be content with it. Take your time with it. I know I am coming out with content and, things is taking me slower to do my recipes because it takes a lot working 40 hours a week. Dealing with my children and, them getting ready for college and doing this and that and, in between things, your normal business, busy life that you need to do. This is a lot of work. I'm praying that once I get this going where I need it to go and start running the other things that I have set up in a line, but I'm going to take my time. So I'm not going to let anybody rush me into doing anything. You know, it's going to be a slow start for right now because I'm still learning. And I know this is something that you have to pick up and learn fast if you want to hold on to your subscribers too, because they're looking and they're waiting. With that being said, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do more. You know, you can always see a video from me on Saturdays and at 8 p.m. I'm gonna give it 8 p.m. That sounds kind of reasonable. You know, and I'm gonna try to build up my content that I'm not. I've been listening to you guys. You know, I've been watching Be Love. I've been watching a lot of different subscribers give their intake on it. I mean, a lot of not subscribers, YouTubers give their intake on what should be good with content, you know, and how often you should post. So, you know, like the Batty Twins, I watch them all the time. I also watch Percy P all the time. I've been watching Sit and Mo a lot more. So I'm learning new YouTubers channels and enjoying their content and them willing to share and spread. What's the other one who I was telling you about? I was watching Eats. But anyway, I've been watching a lot.
Yeah, but I have no idea.
Yeah. She's like, who are you watching now, Mom?
Yeah, you was out your mouth like.
I'm in school, y'all. I'm in school. I mean, you got to learn from the people who's here and doing it every day, been doing it every day. Constantly staying abreast on, you know, what's in and what's out. You know, it's just about making it your own. So, you know, I'm just here to love on everybody as they love on me. I ain't, you know, like I was saying earlier, I've been watching. It's sad me coming into it because stuff like the dramaful things kind of turn you off a little bit. Because you don't want to be tied into this. But in the same breath, it's making you aware of what to look for and who to look out for. Because people aren't for you all the time. People are about themselves. You know, you have selfish people out here. So you got to learn and watch your step. I don't know. I haven't been there, but I would love to, you know, grow and get to know everybody. You know what I mean? It's about spreading that love. But it's the same, you know, YouTube ain't no different from the street, though. It's the same thing off of YouTube in the streets, real life stuff, you know? And YouTube real life, too. These are regular people, just like me, sitting here. All I gotta say, we all have feelings. We all have hearts. We all have goals. And rising to the top by stepping on people's feet ain't gonna get you to the top. Tell you, your empire will fall quick. Same thing on the job. You know, those boss butt kisses and stuff, you know. But anywho, how's your day going? I hope it's been fine. I hope it's been enjoyable. My daughter went to the market, got us this lovely fish. And she cleaned it. And I cooked it. Thank you. So far, 2020 has been busy for me. I don't know about you. It's been busy.
I could have been sleeping.
It's been busy. I'm gonna say a good busy. Anyway, yes, I want to mention again, if you didn't hear my last video, did mention that no one won the giveaway, the 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm still trying to climb up there, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, comment down below. I love chatting, so I try to answer everybody. I love talking. I love seeing what people think. I love advice. I love pointers. I told y'all before, I love trying new things. I'll be doing another giveaway soon, since nobody won that one. Actually, it didn't get a lot of people who to participate. I think being that I did it for New Year's Eve and only did it for a day, that probably wasn't fair. And probably too quick. So I know now I'm going to switch it up, since I've been watching, like I said, watching other channels and seeing how they're doing it. Yeah. No, thank you. No, I'm doing another one. And I'll leave it for a week. That was a lot to ask people to do on New Year's Eve. I don't know what I was thinking. I think because I ain't had nothing to do. I'm like, well, I gotta work. Me and my baby girl was just gonna be in the house, chilling. So I didn't even think much of it. Yeah. So I hope you're having a lovely weekend. May your week be productive and amazing. I'm excited, guys. I'm really excited. This is it's all new to me, and I'm excited because I think I've been watching YouTubers for since October. So since October, I feel like I know these YouTubers are yeah.
Yeah, she's late in the game.
Way late in the game. I am.
Oh my god, I've never watched YouTubers. And I was like, me and Sabrina looking at her like, seriously? She's like, yeah, this is cool.
I feel like crumbs, the girls love to eat. I keep saying that. Yeah, I'm new. I'm new. Yeah, new to the game.
She's a noob.
But I'm catching on quick, baby girl. Because I done got that camera, whipped it out. My iPad whipped it out and was like, let's work. And like I said, just learning from different people talking about, I've been watching how to do iPad videos on iMovie, and I've been doing a whole lot of stuff. Trying to get my website rolling the way I want it to look, and so I'm gonna work harder and smarter too, so I can start flowing these projects out. So my first thing is to get these videos together, so and get more smoother at it. Working on getting my background, some more lights, and You know, things of that nature. So I'm going to take my time. Because I'm balling on a budget. My funds is low, 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 low. Woo! I'm full. Everything was so delicious. Yeah, you put all the fat.
That was all that was in there.
So I ate all the meat. Good Lord. She put all the fat to the turkey tails in here.
I was like, I
Mm,
was
reap
trying
that
to
fat.
get it out, but that was all that was left.
Yeah, I ain't got that to do.
You put all the salt in here.
What? I don't even know why. It tastes so because you know why? Because the thing is
Because I was gonna see
the thing is
breading.
bread and it's seasoned and I forgot. Oops.
Yeah, I was like, ooh,
She done called me out on my channel.
my bad.
It's alright.
I was eating the greens and everything.
It's about the truth.
I feel it hitting me.
Hey, be honest. It is kind of salty.
It's alright though. It's still good. I eat
Ooh.
seafood however I get it.
Come on now. And excuse me. Oh, crumbs. Yeah, I forgot that the fish fry. You know, I really used to use fish fry. I just started using it because I don't know. One,
Everybody was
brought
saying that it was good.
I brought it while I wanted to go bad on me too. And somebody was like, "Oh, you gotta use fish fry." I normally use my own, just some fine cornmeal. I mix it with some flour, season it up. Bam, that's my fish fry.
I thought I was going to eat more,
I'm full.
but this might be it. I
You
didn't
full
grab
too?
that big piece.
Mm-mm.
I was like, girl.
I'm full. So I guess we're gonna wrap this up. Ain't gonna be too long. I gotta work on another video for you guys. So I want to relax in between. So, you want anything to say?
Stay blessed.
It's so low.
I was going to say stay blessed.
She ready to close the doors, honey.
Guys, good luck on your new year. I hope you guys stay covered. And when I mean covered, I mean stay covered by the blood of Jesus. And love on each other and love yourself. You are all individually beautiful, inside and out. And that's about it.
Yeah, speak, sister. Oh, do I have your permission to post your video of you dancing?
I mean, I'm pretty sure they already saw it if it's on your page.
Well, it's only on my. Oh, I did put it on my Instagram.
Yeah.
Well, I'll add that. That's me and my baby just having fun.
As long
Weekend
as you don't
time.
put it on your website, I'm good.
Well, I'm not. Why would I put that on my website? No. Anyway, I don't know. Should I call this a mukbang? Let me know what you think. Yeah, mukbang is eating, right? Food, talk, love, and all that stuff. So, yes. Anyway, guys, so don't forget to check out my website at www.jillscomfortzone.com. Also, check out my Jill Comfort Zone blog spot. And don't forget to check out my Instagram, Jill Comfort Zone. And don't forget to check out my YouTube, Jill Comfort Zone. Everything just Comfort Zone. Comfort Zone. Comfort Zone. Comfort Zone. All right, JCZ fam. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always loving on me, supporting me, telling me things that I want to do. Any question that you may have, please go away. Please go away.
Yeah, just leave.
Sorry.
Don't leave yet.
Comment down below if it's more private. You can always email me at jcomfortzone@gmail.com. All that information is in my description box down below. Or you can DM me on Instagram. So any questions that you would like for me to answer or whatever, and that you have for me, let me know. If you want me to see me cook anything on this channel, please let me know. Right now, I have some requests that I do have to get to soon. Some oxtails. I got an oxtail request. And a few other things that is coming in the works soon. And I'm getting ready for my baby 18th birthday. So January 18th.
Yeah,
so
a lot of stuff going on this year, y'all. Support.
Yeah, so alright. She ready to open her Cash App. No.
I don't have a cash.
She don't have a cash, yeah. But you can cash at me, and I'll cash it out to her. That's all good if you want.
Yeah, because my bank account is private.
Yeah, we ain't putting your bank account nowhere on the net. Okay?
Yeah.
So, and like I said, I'm going to plug in her Amazon wish list if you choose to give, anything. If not, you don't have to. We're not asking that. But yeah, one of her requests is seafood boil. So I'm going to try to do a seafood. I can't eat seafood, so maybe that's the day I'll do an oxtail. So I'll eat oxtails. And that's the time I'm going to make that beef sauce though, too. So, yeah, that's it. So that's pricey within itself. So Lord have mercy, help me with trying to do a seafood boil. So
send a prayer.
Yes, prayer works. Okay, so that works. Ain't nobody asking for no donation or anything like that. Prayer works.
If you want to donate.
What's that? Jesus will work it out.
Donate to the churches and people who need it.
Yeah, so it's truly a blessing sitting here with you guys all the time. I enjoy you. I love you. Thank you for keep coming through, supporting me. And that's it. All right. Well, like I say, always say, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and family. Comment down below. And subscribe. Hit that button right down there. And let me know. And hit that bell button so you can be notified for when I'm coming to videos from my home to yours with some more delicious meals. Okay? So as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed. And peace out. We didn't do a thumbnail. Is that in your mouth? Oh. I'm about to say, you about to eat that. You about to eat that.
You gonna eat that because I ain't eating no that in your mouth.